Today, I'm in Garden Ridge, Texas, and we're about to check out what $1.99 million gets you on an acre lot 5 minutes from San Antonio. Okay, so we are looking at the front yard right now, which is covered in shade and a lot of trees. The driveway on this house is massive. I don't know if you can see it, but we're very close to the entrance of this home. But let's look at how long this driveway is. The landscaping has been complete and the irrigation system has been installed as well. The home is a mixture of stone on the exterior along with a little bit of stucco. So this is the stucco. And as we enter into the front porch, we do have the wood columns right here with the stone base and 2 steps that lead to the front door. Okay, so as we go into the home, we are met with a light oak wood floor and a foyer that has 2 light fixtures. So right off of the main door, we do have our first office space area that does have a ceiling fan. And a window that faces that front porch. Actually, there's 2 windows above as well. Okay, so right off of the main door, we do have our first 2 bedrooms. So this house is 4 bedrooms altogether, and it is 4.5 bathrooms. Each room does have its own bedroom, each room has its own bathroom, if I could talk. Okay, so this is our walk-in closet. And the carpet is like a light tan color and it has some designs in it. See if you can see that. Okay, so this is our first bathroom. It does have a walk-in shower. Have the light oak with the white countertops with a little bit of tan that matches the cabinets. And does have a nickel hardware that is included to kind of accent that light color as well. The doors are 8 feet and they kind of have like a little design embedded in them as well. So moving along to the second bedroom, it does have like a little extension before you go into the bedroom, and we do have that same walk-in shower and the same countertop or cabinets that was in the first bedroom. Okay, so the window is oversized, and let's see if we can get a full view of this bedroom. It's definitely large enough for a king size bed for sure. Let's check out this closet. Okay, so like I said, we are in Garden Ridge, Texas, and Garden Ridge actually used to be a part of San Antonio, but it broke off. The lots in Garden Ridge are very spacious, so it's nothing to get acre lots or beyond that, just because of the location of it. So if you're looking for something that's close to the city, but you get that space and privacy, Garden Ridge is definitely a place that you should look into. So that's our half bathroom that we just saw. And in the living room area, we have a lot of natural light, 2 sets of sliding doors, and we have a floor to ceiling fireplace that is covered in marble. Okay, so as we move along into the dining room kitchen area, we do have this extra room that could be used as storage that's right off of the kitchen. I'd say you could probably make it into a wine cellar. And our cabinets are nice light brown. This is where our refrigerator would go. And we have built-in appliances that are by KitchenAid. And we do have the light underneath of the cabinets. So we have, it looks like double ovens right here. Yep. So this is the first one, second one. So during the holidays, you can really knock out your bacon and your cooking as well. Right off of the kitchen, we have this walk-in pantry. Yeah, I've seen areas like this where they kind of cut off some of that cabinet space and they make almost like a prep kitchen. So that's a possibility with that area. And this extra room right here can definitely be used as your media room, your playroom, family room. It's definitely spacious enough, and it does have a view of your driveway. Let's see if we can get closer so you can see that. So this is a new construction community, so you will see the house right next door is being built as well. So if you heard noise in the beginning, it was definitely the crew that was working on that house. So we're gonna check out the garage before we tour the rest of the home. So it is a 3-car. The garage door openers are already installed. It is pre-looped with for a water softener, so that's where that would go. And down this way is where your sprinkler system is, and it is a Rainbird sprinkler system, which is a very popular brand that you'll find in this area. And so in the back, we'll check out the back just so you can see how the acreage was used. I think you'll be surprised with what you can do out there. So once we check out the rest of the kitchen, so we have a KitchenAid gas range right here. And an oversized island. And with the farm style sink. Okay, so right off the kitchen, we do have our laundry room area, which is massive. You definitely can add a sink in here if you want to have that in your washroom, and build some shelves. It's actually, it's big enough to be another mini room. And closet right off of that laundry room. So this is our third bedroom. Has the 2 windows with the ensuite and same cabinetry and and this is our walk-in closet for this one. And our stand-up shower. And we have a white tile from the floor to the ceiling in this one. So if you are thinking about moving to Garden Ridge, I would like to invite you to check out my relocations guide, which will be in the description below. You can check that out. It does have information on Garden Ridge as well, school districts, and just some fun facts about it. So if you want to check that out, definitely it's in the description link below. And always reach out if you have any questions. In the primary room, we do have this tall cathedral ceilings with a lot of window and a lot of natural light. So the primary bathroom does have a double door entry, and there is a transition between the hardwood and tile, but it's still that light complexion, so it flows very well. Still keeping the same theme throughout the house of the counters and the cabinetry color. So we have the frosted window with our soaking tub, and right across from that we have our walk-in shower. Sorry, that was really loud. Okay, and we have our floor-to-ceiling tile, and we do have a bench that you can sit on, put your products on. It can be used for a few things. Okay, and now we move along to our walk-in closet. Okay, and here is some more closet space for our linen, our towels, products, whatever you would like to put there. So now we're gonna check out outside and check out this lot, which has a lot of trees. So we have the oversized lot, the oversized patio. So the sod is right at the edge of that tree line, but it goes all the way back. So you have plenty of options. You could clear out the trees, you can keep the trees, you can add your pool in the front and have the trees as shade. And then maybe if you want to add a play area with the swings, you could do that. There's so much that you could do out there. But again, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and always reach out if you have any questions. My number is 830-369-1776. Thank you.